Hi students, so now here we are going to discuss a question taken from NEET question paper. The question goes like this. Find the structure of a compound C6H10 which decolorizes bromine in CCl4 and gives an insoluble salt on reacting with Ag+. It gives 2-methylpentane on treatment with an excess of hydrogen in the presence of nickel as the catalyst. So this particular question, what we are having here, we can divide it into 3 sections. In the first section, we will be dealing with the reaction of this molecule, this hydrocarbon C6H10 with bromine and CCl4. Now, what is key aspect here? Bromine and CCl4 can react with a pi bond of an alkene or an alkyne. And when such a reaction happens, there is decolorization, or the reddish brown color of bromine fades away to give you a colorless solution, as you can see here. Now, if you're going for analyzing the options given, we can find that all the options are having a pi bond, either as a double bond or as a triple bond, meaning all these molecules will definitely decolorize bromine. So there is none of the options we can skip based on the first option. Moving on to the next option, it says that this particular compound can give an insoluble salt on reacting with silver ions. And for getting silver ions, preferably it is silver nitrate solution with ammonia that is used to carry out this reaction. I'll repeat. Ammonia in silver nitrate solution is used to carry out the second reaction. But the key aspect of this particular reaction is that it can react only with terminal alkyne, because the hydrogen of terminal alkyne is highly acidic. It can be replaced. It is acidic. It can be replaced. And if silver ion is replacing the hydrogen on the terminal alkyne, it will be resulting in a salt which is insoluble in the solution. So if you're analyzing the options given here, option A is having an alkyne, having a triple bond, but that is not a terminal alkyne. So this is not the option. Here there is a terminal alkyne and the hydrogen on it is, yes, it is going to be replaced. So this is a preferable option, which can be a correct one. Let's go with the rest of the options as well. Here there is no terminal alkyne. It is an alkene that is present. It's two alkenes that are present in this molecule. Hence this will not work. Here also it is an alkene. Hence it will not work. So only option that we can get based on the second clue from the question is option B. So I'll write the equation for option B based on decolorization with bromine and CCl4. It will be like CH3 twice CH, CH2, C triple bond CH. When you're treating it with bromine and CCl4, it will end up with CH3 twice CH, CH2, C bromine, bromine, triple bond gets converted to a single bond. So again, bromine here, and H. This molecule will be decolorizing the reddish brown color of bromine. Going with the second part of the question, so it will be CH3 thrice, sorry, CH3 twice CH, CH2, C triple bond CH. When it is made to react with silver ions, the acidic hydrogen will be replaced and the product formed will be CH3 twice CH, CH2, C triple bond C minus and Ag plus. This ionic compound will be insoluble in the solution and will be coming out as a precipitate. Now let's go with the third option and verify it whether this is correct or not. As per the third part of the question, or the third clue what is given in the question. It says that 2-methylpentane has to be the product. Let's see. So if this molecule is made to react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst. So CH3 twice CH, CH2, C triple bond CH. If it is made to react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, what happens is the triple bond will be broken. Two hydrogens will be getting added on either sides and it will be forming an alkane. So what is the alkane that is formed here? It is CH3, C, CH3, H, CH2. This two hydrogens gets added here, it becomes CH2. Here also two hydrogens gets added, it becomes CH3. This compound is, let's try naming it, 3, 4 and 5. This is 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane will be formed if this molecule is made to react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst. Yes, it is 2-methyl pentane, what is given in the question as well. Hence, we can conclude that this is the right option for this particular question. That's all in this particular video. Thank you.